Hey everyone, today we're going to dive into one of the most powerful skills you can possibly learn, how to teach a computer to think. And we're going to do it with Python, one of the most popular programming languages on the entire planet.
Just let that sink in for a second. It sounds like a superpower, doesn't it? Well, it kinda is. That's exactly what programming lets you do. You give instructions to a machine, and it carries out your tasks, your ideas, your solutions for you. So let's start with the absolute core idea here. This isn't some kind of magic, and you don't have to be a tech genius. At its heart, programming is really just about communication. Okay, so here's the textbook definition. And the two most important words on this slide are precise and logical. See, a computer doesn't get hints or understand what you mean to say. It only understands crystal clear step-by-step instructions. And your job as the programmer is to be that super clear translator. I love this quote because it just cuts through all the noise. Forget the complicated jargon for a minute. Just think of it like this. You're the teacher, and the computer, well, it's your student. An incredibly fast and powerful student, but a very literal one. Your job is to teach it how to do something meaningful. Now here's the thing. Learning to code is about so much more than just telling a computer what to do. It actually starts to change the way you think and how you approach problems in general. You see, when you learn to program, it kind of forces you to take these big, messy, complicated problems and break them down into small, logical, manageable pieces. You learn to think through the steps in a sequence and design a whole system that actually works. And honestly, those are skills that are just invaluable in literally any field you can think of, from science to business to art. And this right here is the biggest shift of all. Think about it. Right now, you use technology all day, every day. Programming gives you the keys to the kingdom. It lets you stop being just a consumer and start being a creator. That is a massive change in what you can do in the world. Okay, so if we're going to teach a machine, we need a common language, right? And believe me, there is no better language to get started with today than Python. Let me show you why. What's so amazing about Python is this blend of being super accessible but also incredibly powerful in the real world. It's totally free for anyone to use. Its syntax, that's like the grammar of the language, is so clean it almost reads like plain English. This means you can focus on your actual ideas, not fighting with the code. Plus, it runs everywhere, and this is no toy language. It's used by the biggest industries in the world. I mean, take Google. Python is one of their main official server-side languages. It's running behind the scenes, powering parts of their course search, parts of YouTube, and just countless tools they use every single day. And it's not just on Earth. We're talking about NASA. When scientists are digging through all that data coming back from the Mars rovers or running simulations for new spacecraft, Python is their go-to tool. It's just that good for data analysis. Then you've got Tesla. They use Python for everything from automating their factories and programming robots to building out their vehicle software systems. So yeah, this isn't just some beginner's language, it is a professional powerhouse. All right, that's enough talk, enough theory. Let's actually do something. I want to show you just how ridiculously easy it is to get started and write your very first instruction for the computer. So first, you gotta get Python. It's super simple. Just head over to python.org, click on Downloads, and grab the latest version. Now, one really important tip, if you're on Windows, there's a little checkbox that says Add Python to Path. Please check that box. Trust me, it just lets you run Python from anywhere on your computer, and it'll save you a ton of headaches later. Okay, once it's installed, you basically have two main ways to run Python. The first is called interactive mode. Think of it like having a direct conversation with Python. You type one command, you get an instant result. It's perfect for quick little tests. Then there's script mode. That's when you write a whole program, all your instructions in one file, save it, and then tell the computer to run the entire thing all at once. So let's try that interactive mode. Just open up your computer's terminal or command line, type the word Python, and hit Enter. You should see these three little arrows pop up. Now type this command exactly. Print hello. Hit Enter one more time, and boom. The computer replies back, hello. That's it. Seriously, it's that simple. And I really want you to just pause on that for a second. I know it seems like a tiny step, like, hello? Big deal. But it is a big deal. With one single line of code, you gave the computer a precise instruction. And it listened. It did what you said. You've just opened up a conversation with a machine. You've done it. You've taken the first and honestly the most important step. You've gone from being just a user to being a creator. And the journey from printing hello to building an entire app or analyzing huge data sets, it's really just a matter of learning more instructions. So, the only question left is, what do you want to teach it to do?